Hello.
So you want to work on the greenhouse?
Gotta get started sometime.
Not gonna put itself back. Very hesitant about starting on this greenhouse job.
I'm gonna grab your feet.
Okay. Okay. He's all gung-ho. I'm like not wanting to do it. I guess that's what you... He's right though, it needs started sometime. Get a tape measure. No, which one you want? Okay. There's 5 center ones.
5, 6, 7.
Yeah. Planning begins. Those ones are still good, right? The new ones? Hold on.
Some of them others are. We just need to get some
Whichever's cheapest.
Yep.
Okay. Well, I had that big one up here, but it's at the garage now.
Yeah, 8 foot.
8 foot.
We can go 8 or 9 footers, whichever one's cheaper. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12.
4, 5, 6, 12. That's hillbilly counting around here. Okay.
That'll give us all new center around.
Okay.
Was all the bottom 2x6 is good?
All but that one. The back. Remember? It was like in 2 pieces. I think it was in the back. So not that one. That one. Okay. There's a 2x4 there that needs replaced on the door. There was one that was broken too. Okay. No, I meant a 2x6.
Well, let's go over here and look and see what we got in our pile. I think we got some 2x6.
We got cedar, 7 foot by 55 inches. We'll just put it up.
We got plenty of 2x6s.
Okay. Plenty of 2x6s. We got piles. Piles of wood.
From a building that blowed down last time we had a storm.
True. We either need to quit building buildings or build them better. We're building better.
Yeah, we gotta build another one when we just finished. screwed the post in.
Okay. $100 worth of materials for a greenhouse. Not looking forward to this rebuild. Stalling. It's probably done. Here we go. Got enough. Yeah. Whose idea was that? It was your idea. No, it was mine. Leave the plastic on. It's just a little bit windy.
We can save it.
Yeah. Bad idea. Good thing we had holes in it. All right. You let go?
Yeah, he was on the inside pushing that way.
He's been all right.
Let go.
Okay. Put this back up might cause a fight. Huh? What do you think? I said putting this back up might cause a fight. 2 pieces up. Lowering it 3 foot. Hard job, ain't it?
Huh?
It's harder this time than the first time. As you can see throughout the clips, we have been busy getting this all reinforced again. We got brand new 2x4s to help strengthen this up. We put these brace posts in the ground, help strengthen it. We're going to have a door back here, which is new this time. We also made this 3 foot shorter. See, these are right here now. They used to be about right there. So it is going to be 3 foot shorter, but we're hoping that helps with the weather. All that when our weather comes from this way, it goes right on the back there. And hoping making this shorter and putting a door right there will help the air pass through this instead of taking the structure. We are putting the bigger rebar in the ground, and I've lost about 4 inches from there to there because of shortening it, but that's okay. We will sacrifice that 100-foot tunnel perfectly fine. Not sure why it wanted to take this 50-foot one, but it did. So we only have the front to put on, which is still right here. Still have to shorten it, and we have one more thing, and then we have the ridge pole to put on before we can put the plastic on. We'll probably get that done this weekend. The plastic will probably have to wait for another weekend because we're supposed to have storms again. The end of this weekend into early of next week. And I think I just want to leave the plastic off one more week and just let it breathe. But this is the length that we've taken off of each of the greenhouse itself, and we're hoping that doing that, like I said, would help the weather not take it, and hopefully we're doing all this reinforcement. We have to put these brace poles in somewhere, figure that out, because we did shorten it. But yeah, it's coming along nicely, and I can't wait to continue growing in it. But for now, there's a lot of work to do, and I appreciate everybody appreciate all the comments, the kind comments about the greenhouse. It's really been a struggle with me, but we'll get it, and we'll get back going, and we will grow more food because of this. Setbacks are only setbacks for a short while, as long as you let them be only for a short while. All right, y'all. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for joining me, and y'all come back.